and beyond. The Weather Channel, the Winter Weather Authority. Now you're local on the 8s.
A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 25 degrees with snow. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, periods of snow and windy, some blowing and drifting snow. Low 19. Winds east-northeast at 20 to 30 miles per hour. And on Monday, light snow during the morning will give way to a few snow showers during the afternoon. High 23. Chance of snow 70%. 1 to 2 inches of snow expected. And Monday night, flurries and a few snow showers throughout the night. Low 3. Chance of snow 40%. Here's our 7-day outlook.